Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically fix the cannot import music. So you can just use the one that they have here, audio, but if you don't want to and you still want to import your music and you still can't, it's here by the way. You can either import it by pressing it or by dragging and dropping the audio. I'll just do it with a video because I don't really have any audio files at the moment. But if that doesn't work, you're going to basically go to menu, go back to homepage, or go to more, go to your version, check for updates, and you're going to install the latest update. And hopefully after you restarted the app, it's going to fix the audio cannot be imported, or you can link your CapCut with your TikTok so you can get audio from TikTok, but it's not super complete or easy to do. Make sure all of your audio files are in an MP3 or a wave, I don't know how to say it, format so that you can import it in here. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.